If you are buying products on Amazon, then this video is for you. With this free tool, you can track the products on Amazon, be it Amazon USA or Amazon Canada or Amazon Australia or Amazon Europe or Amazon India. The tool will help you see the product prices over a period of time. What was the cost of the product a month back, or few days back, or you can see the price that has gone up and down, over a period of time. To view these Amazon product price changes, we need to install a tool in our Chrome browser, so let's go to Chrome Web Store. And look for Keepa for Amazon, the Chrome extension. Next, we need to select the Chrome extension, and add the Keepa for Amazon extension to Chrome browser. Once added to Chrome browser, we need to register on Keepa website, and verify the email for the tool to work. On the Amazon site, you can see, as we scroll down we have this section, I call it the Keepa section. We can see all the price range, the price over a period of time, on what day or month the prices are. I hope this video is helpful to you. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, to get updates when we add new content.